The fight against the deadly COVID-19 pandemic continues, with the much-needed precautionary measures in place. International and local health officials have been stressing the need for social distancing during these trying times. In this next report, we explain what is social distancing and why it is crucial specifically at this time.
The fight against the deadly novel coronavirus pandemic continues with the implementation of much-needed precautionary measures. Officials from the World Health Organization have continually emphasized the need for people around the world to practice social distancing. Social distancing or physical distancing are certain actions advocated by the public health officials to stop person-to-person transmission of a highly contagious disease, in this case, COVID-19. It also helps slow down the spread of the virus and reduces the intensity of the epidemic. A person infected with COVID-19 is said to be able to pass it on to an average of 2 to 3 other people in the early stages. Therefore, health scientists around the world are advocating for the gathering of no more than 10 persons at any one time. Canceling events that are likely to draw crowds is an example of social distancing. It is aimed at increasing the physical space between people to avoid spreading illness. Staying at least 6 feet away from other people lessens one's chances of catching COVID-19. Other examples of social distancing which allow persons to avoid larger crowds or crowded spaces include working from home instead of the office, closing schools and switching to online classes, communicating with relatives and friends by electronic devices instead of in person, canceling or postponing conferences and large meetings, online banking and other financial transactions instead of visiting banks or business places. Social distancing benefits all. However, older persons and those with recurring medical conditions such as respiratory illness, heart disease, and diabetes should be especially mindful about practicing social distancing. The question remains, when will social distancing end? It remains the most important factor that can control the outbreak. It is essentially buying time until a vaccine can be found. People are inherently social animals, so it is not easy to cut off practically all social contact. However, what you can do is help protect society. Remember, we're all in this together, even if apart physically. Letitia Isaacs, for Info Hub.